From brushing your teeth in the morning with a toothbrush like this, to the alarm clock you set before you go to bed at night, you use hundreds of different man-made products every day. Have you ever wondered where all these products come from? Well, most of these products are manufactured in countries all over the world. There are thousands of careers in manufacturing, and some can be found right here in Hancock County. Genesis Plastic Welding in Fortville specializes in radio frequency plastic welding and heat sealing. Let's take a look.
We are a contract manufacturer for plastic films typically. We do heat sealing, we do radio frequency welding, and we do heat staking. So those are our two main processes that we do here. We build product for medical device, consumer goods, and military. Those are our three primary customers that we service. Our business is about 70% medical device and about 30% consumer and military products.
My name is Andre. I've been with Genesis for 4 years. I am a production supervisor for the morning shift. I started 4 years ago. I worked my way up, but I basically help the management staff start up the shifts in the morning, get everybody going, make sure that we have everything we need for the day-to-day basis. From raw material to machine operations, everything that entitles for a production run, we make sure everything is ready for.
The common challenges that you're going to have are always going to be quality. We here at Genesis, we strive to have the highest quality that we can possibly attain for our customers. That's the biggest thing. When a customer gives you a project and gives you money to turn out, products for them, they want to have the best quality that they can possibly get. If you wouldn't buy it in a store, then we don't want to produce it here. Everything has to be top-notch. That's the biggest drive and the biggest goal that we have.
How many employees do you have?
We currently have 87 employees, and we're on a pretty significant kind of growth curve right now, so we're constantly interviewing and hiring.
How do you see your business growing in the next 10 years?
Me personally, I came here after 2 stints at 2 large companies because I think that Genesis is positioned to double the business in the next 5 years and then double again in the next 5 years after that. So at this point in my career, I wanted to be part of a company that had that kind of a growth initiative. I've been here 18, 19 months. I still believe that, and I think that in the next 10 years, this company will go to 300 or 400 employees and probably double, maybe triple in revenue.
What careers do you anticipate will be in high demand in the year 2020?
I think in the year 2020, you're going to see the U.S. manufacturing base, which in the 80s and 90s kind of diminished. At least our sense from the Genesis world and some of the people that we do business with, you're seeing a push for companies to bring the manufacturing base back to the U.S. So I think by 2020, I hope that the U.S. manufacturing base has kind of evolved in getting bigger. The types of jobs that we need here are always going to be the technical fields, engineering, computer technology, the IT infrastructure. Those types of jobs are always growing, and our process, the RF welding, the equipment gets more complicated. So, even the general labor force is going to have some training in the technical skills.